Ducati.
Absolutely incredible. Hello and welcome back to this very special edition of Inside Pass. We're here in Valencia at the MotoGP Awards. This is the last time we get to catch up with the MotoGP riders in this 2019 season, so come along with me. You're looking very handsome. Hi, Maverick.
Hello.
How's it going?
Good.
You look very nice. You look very handsome.
Thank you. You saw it?
Hi, Tom. Looking very dashing.
Hello.
Two faces that we have seen before. Can we grab a quick question? In which races did we see both Dovi and Petrucci on the podium?
Mugello.
Yeah. Yeah.
And Qatar no, Argentina no, Austria no, Jerez no, Le Mans? No?
Is that your final answer?
Mugello, only Mugello.
And Le Mans.
And Le Mans?
Right.
Oh, you joke with me. Come on.
Enjoy the gala, Mark.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Hey, give me 5, please.
Can you tell me from the highest performing Ducati rider to the less performing Ducati rider?
So, me,
Yes.
Danilo,
Yes.
Jack.
Yes. Correct. Keep on going.
I didn't check. So,
Ooh.
I have to go. I have to go.
Okay.
I have to go.
Okay, we'll let you off. So if you're curious to know, it was him, Petrucci, Miller, Pecco, Tito, Michele Pirro and Carol Abraham. End of season quiz question.
Okay.
Can you remember at which race we had an all-Spanish podium?
Jerez.
And who was on the podium?
I was Marquez, Rins and myself.
You are right.
I
So can you name me the 3 podium finishers for Qatar?
for Qatar. Okay, so MotoGP is Dovizioso, Marquez and Crutchlow.
You are correct.
Yes.
You get a good grade for this end of season. And I wanted to show you our favorite moment with you for the vlog. I'm following you. I'll try not to crash into you.
Vanessa, how are you? Was quite funny, yeah?
We were riding the scooters in Thailand. And you were giving me shit because I was not good enough. Is that it? It's tricky to break, huh?
Because you are not good, this is why.
Yeah,
but it's okay. Looking at the video, you're looking quite good.
Thank you. It feels like a lifetime ago, but back in Qatar for the very first episode of Inside Pass, we went to the sand dunes and I managed to flip a buggy. I really want to go and try again and try not to flip it this time. Look back to a memory, very early on memory of the season that I particularly enjoyed.
I couldn't forget.
So all good?
Yeah, but we have to explain again
Yes.
what happened here because
Yeah.
you make it's a bit embarrassing.
One of the most amazing experiences of this season has to be the aerobatics in the helicopter. We went all the way to Salzburg before the Austrian Grand Prix and I got to experience for 45 minutes the aerobatics in that heli. I felt sick for about half a day, but I would absolutely do it again. And season 2, Alpha Jets, get ready, I'm coming for you. You're the new Moto2 World Champion, but I want to know which one is your favorite memory or moment of 2019?
Okay, sure Malaysia, when I crossed the finish line.
Yeah?
But also Jerez. You remember when I crashed in the first lap, then I come back,
Yes.
the team repaired the bike so fast. So
Yeah.
that is the more special moment that I feel the team, the 100% effort, everything. So that moment is the most special one.
My favorite memory of this 2019 season with Inside Pass has to be the Ducati two-seater with Brandy Mamola, because after spending 10-11 seasons talking about racing, I actually got to experience it for the first time myself, and it was better than I could have had imagined in my wildest dreams. And we could not end this 2019 MotoGP season without asking Tornasio, Carmelo Speletta, which one is your favorite moment of this season?
Well, the end of the year really has been something very good today. every year the race in Valencia is something special for us, and especially today with the announcement of Jorge on Friday that he's leaving the championship. I think it's a moment to make a tribute to him, who has been important for us during all these years.
Thank you very much and enjoy the gala.
Thank you. You too.
Have a good evening. Do you remember we did the reaction game?
Yes.
Your score was 0.234.
Yes.
Do you
Very
want
slow.
to? Do you want to try to beat it before the end of the season?
Okay. No. Very slow. Very slow.
Want to try one more time?
Okay.
Okay, one more time.
More slow. I'm not in a good condition.
It's end of season. I would really like to put both of you to the test for the very last time.
Okay,
Who should go first?
the winner. 272. Oh,
272, Fabio.
243.
I think we should give Andrea another chance because you've done it before.
I make a last one. Maybe I make a jump.
Someone doesn't like to be beaten, even at a game.
I stop. I stop.
Andrea is definitely the winner.
He's
Congratulations.
the winner of everything. Valencia winner of e-games, everything. I'm the loser, second all the time.
We're finished catching up with the MotoGP riders and the gala's about to begin, so let's go in. This truly is the end of the 2019 MotoGP season. We have all of the 2019 winners, Moto3, Moto2 and MotoGP, on stage for a final family photo. The next time you'll see all of them together will be in Qatar in 2020 for the very first round of the season. Does it taste good?
Tastes really good. Better than my mother is cooking always, and is preparing a very nice food, but this is tasting a little bit more special.
That is it for the 2019 MotoGP season. I hope you have enjoyed Inside Pass, and if you feel like you have a MotoGP craving throughout the winter, you have 19 episodes to watch while we wait for the 2020 season. See you next time.
Dovizioso just gets it on the line. His first win of 2019. What a howler by Marquez. The factory Suzuki rider has done it. What has happened to Fabio Quartararo? What a nightmare. Oh, all three of them almost had contact. He's done it! What alignment for Danilo Petrucci into his momentum. Oh, look at that! He's won it all out! How has this happened? They're all numbers 4 of the down. Quartararo's down. She comes by Marquez. He's not rolling off now. He goes through. Top end of the circuit. Top end of the circuit. It's now or never surely for Vinales. He's gone. Oh, Marquez is up to second. They both went wide. The two Ducatis went into the wide. Here comes Della Porta. Is he going to try and take it? He's gone wide. Through goes Arenas. And he returns to the top. On his 50th Moto2 appearance, Brad Binder wins here in Phillip Island. And dearie me. But once again, Marquez takes it. There it is then. World title number 8.